Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your mouse DPI in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely loaded up and ready to use. Once everything is up and running, you can begin checking your mouse DPI. Start by navigating to the Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the Start menu. Once the Start menu appears, type in Mouse Settings in the search bar and hit Enter. This will open the mouse settings window where you can access various mouse configurations. From here, you'll need to scroll down through the settings until you find a link labeled Additional Mouse Options. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window called Mouse Properties, which gives you more advanced control over your mouse settings. Now, before you can accurately measure your mouse DPI, you need to turn off a feature called Enhance Pointer Precision. This feature adjusts your cursor speed dynamically, which can interfere with getting an accurate DPI reading. To disable it, click on the Pointer Options tab at the top of the Mouse Properties window. Look for a checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision and remove the checkmark by clicking on it. This ensures your mouse cursor moves at a consistent speed based purely on your DPI settings. Once you've unchecked it, click on Apply to save this change. Next, open a new browser tab and head to google.com. In the search bar, type in Mouse DPI Checker and press Enter. You'll see several search results appear. Click on the first result to access a mouse DPI testing website. These websites provide a simple tool that measures your mouse DPI in real time. Once you're on the website, you'll see a designated space or box where you can test your mouse. To get your DPI measurement, drag your mouse cursor across this space. Start from the left side and smoothly drag it all the way to the right. As you do this, the website will calculate and display your mouse DPI result on the screen. This number represents how many pixels your cursor moves for every inch you physically move your mouse. And that's it, you've successfully checked your mouse DPI in Windows 11 using the built-in settings and an online DPI checker tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.